To understand what this industry will look like, let's first imagine the way buildings will look like. I believe the buildings of the future will be smarter, carbon neutral, and have low total ownership cost. The first, smart buildings, which have been talked and discussed for years, will definitely come in a rapid way that will reshape the way we think of buildings. In future, not only buildings but also the whole city will be connected via millions of smart devices and also multiple layers of control networks. The connectivity will provide the end users the maximized experience using the facilities. There will also be more and more carbon neutral buildings emerging soon. Energy efficiency has been pushed hard by the cost of electricity, various green schemes, and the owners' desire to differentiate their own buildings. It's getting more and more affordable to achieve carbon neutral with the development of new technology and also improvement of overall system efficiency. Lastly, I also believe the knowledge gap between building design and building maintenance and operation will be closed. Building services engineers catch the most of the functionality of a building when it's built. The knowledge on the other side of the building's life cycle is always limited. I believe in future, with more and more operation data collected and assessed during the design phase, the future buildings will have the total ownership cost reduced. All three will complicate building design and will require changes in the way this industry works. The first will be a faster adoption of new technology. We still look at the Edge in Amsterdam as a benchmark building for future. Even the building was built 3 years ago. There are new technologies emerging every day, but we tend to specify those we are most familiar with. The second change will be more use of data to improve the design accuracy. Building information modeling has been around for years, but it hasn't disrupted the way we design a project. The data BIM has created and millions of sensors are collecting in buildings remains hidden and unused to design engineers. Imagine in future, we may not need to do maximum demand assessment or any spatial calculation. Just by inputting the design parameters into a black box system, and it will return the most accurate results based on big data analysis over past projects. How fascinating! Lastly, the way we practice will need to be more efficient. Buildings are getting more complicated, and there are more standards and technology to catch up with. Under the current project frame, it means spending more time doing coordination, working on more repetitive tasks, and revising our design again and again within a tight budget. Different things can be changed to make our work more efficient. For example, instead of searching and reading to pick up latest requirements in each individual standards, it can be changed so that we can search and return all results in just one hit from all different documents, just as how Google works. In summary, the way of doing projects has remained fundamentally unchanged since the beginning of this old industry. In contrast, disruptive technology has been challenging the conventional way of thinking and also creating more and more opportunities in many other industries. Those changes won't happen to us overnight, but let us start thinking.